Myself Pritesh Naresh Joshi. I'm an intern at IGGMC Nagpur and I've secured a rank of 424 in this NEET PG 2023 and I've secured marks 648.
Hello, my name is Anushka Joshi. I am from IGGMC Nagpur. I am an intern. I have secured a rank of 1255 in this year's NEET PG and my marks are 621.
Hello, a very good afternoon to everyone. This is Pooja Namdev Herde. I am currently doing my internship from Government Medical College and Hospital Nagpur, and I had secured All India rank of 64 in this NEET PG 2023 examination.
Hello everybody, good afternoon. My name is Roshan Paliwal. I am intern at GMC Nagpur 2017 batch and I secured All India rank 172 in the NEET PG 2023.
Hello everyone, I am Nisha Pahuja. I am currently an intern at GMCH Nagpur. I have secured a rank of 742 in NEET 2023.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Shweta Ambedare. I am from GMC Nagpur. I scored a rank of 245 in this recent NEET PG exam.
Myself Dr. Palash Koche. I have secured an All India rank of 230.
I am Dr. Saurabh Agrawal. I have secured a rank of 299.
And we are from
GMC Nagpur.
And I had joined DAMS in year 2019 for the pre-foundation course in my second year of MBBS. At first, joining DAMS was just like when seniors told what to do. We didn't have so much guidance, so the seniors told join DAMS, it's good. So we just joined and we started doing live classes and it started making sense day by day, live classes, interactions, doubt solving, and at the first we were just making notes, and then it also started helping in my current year of preparation as in third year, final year, and also the basics of making the notes that ultimately helped me in my internship when time is such an issue and you need concise and crisp material to revise it again and again and apply it in the exam. So, and more special features like at the peak of preparation when DAMS came up with CBT, PYQs, PYQ Kebab, DVT, all this helped and consolidated the whole syllabus in the last 10 days for me, which I think was a game changer in my preparation. And yes, Dr. Sumer sir and Dr. Sachin sir has always been an inspiration.
I joined DAMS in 2019 as a pre-foundation student, and I feel that it was a very correct decision to trust DAMS in such an early phase of MBBS, because whatever I had heard about DAMS, it actually everything came out to be true. DAMS notes really are gold standard, and DAMS gives you a live face-to-face interaction with top faculties from everywhere. So you feel included, you feel like you can do it, and DAMS always makes you feel like you can do it. So it increases your confidence, plus it gives you the best material for preparation. So it really is an amazing experience when you attend face-to-face classes and when the faculties are there to solve your doubts. You will feel included, you will feel confident in your preparation.
In my family, I don't have anyone to guide me because I'm the first one to be entering into this field of medical profession. So I always wanted there to be someone who will help me and I can trust blindly on them to guide me further. So my seniors suggested me that DAMS is one of the best institutes to guide you and tell you that kya karna chahiye aur kya nahi. So I joined DAMS just because of it, and I can proudly say that I am so happy to have joined DAMS.
First of all, my journey throughout the DAMS, like how did I join the DAMS? So it was the only center which was conducting offline face-to-face classes, and there is of course no substitute to face-to-face classes. Face-to-face learning where the teachers are like there on the podium teaching you, where you can directly raise your doubts and they're directly there solving then and there itself. So thereby I joined DAMS in second year as pre-foundation batch. Then my journey through first to final year has been of course ups and downs as everybody goes through. Of course we were the COVID batch, so around 1.5 years we were at home. So apparently for the first few months we had no idea ki what's going to be like. DAMS had no online classes up till then, so we didn't know ki ab Sumer sir kya karenge, what will he come up with now. So of course the genius he is, he came up with good online classes and he helped us through those phases. I had many much emotional and mental breakdowns where I got very much help from my study partner. And one thing I'll recommend you throughout the journey is to have a study partner which will boost your confidence and pull you through the very bad days. Then the journey in the DAMS has been very nice. There has been everything which all of us could have ever asked for, as if we had all the DQBs, we had TNDs, we had DVT, and the best of the lot is CBT.
I'm very grateful to DAMS for this entire journey, and I think I'm very thankful to Sumesh sir, Deepti ma'am for continuously motivating us throughout this journey. Even Sumesh sir and Deepti ma'am used to put so many motivational videos throughout our journey, so that we are motivated and study continuously. I have been through so many ups and downs throughout this journey, because I was very scared even to appear for NEET PG.
I joined DAMS in my second year. I used to attend offline classes of the DAMS every weekend, and those classes really helped me. This was my second attempt. In my last attempt, I didn't study much, so then I attended Sumer sir's offline TND class. In that class, sir actually literally taught us to believe in ourselves, and those motivational podcasts of Sumer sir really helped me out. Whenever I used to feel low, I used to listen Sumer sir's podcast and Sumer sir's strategy videos on the YouTube, and those really helped me out.
मैं और सौरभ फर्स्ट ईयर से ही काफ़ी अच्छी दोस्त है. हम दोनों कॉलेज में ही मिले और तब से हम दोनों साथ में ही पढ़ते आ रहे हैं.
और हमने डैम्स 2018 में हमारे सेकेंड ईयर में ज्वाइन किया था. उसके बाद से हमारा प्रिपरेशन भी हम दोनों ने, जो भी हमारे नोट्स थे, हमारा डिस्कशन जैसे होता था, तो मैं और पलाश साथ में ही करते थे.
उसके बाद जब हमने एक्चुअल में सुमेर सर की क्लास की, जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम सुमेर सर से मिला, तो सर का इंथुसियाज्म देख के मैं एकदम शॉक आ गया कि एक बंदे की इतना नॉलेज कैसे हो सकता है. और जब मैं स्टेज पे गया था सर से मिलने के लिए, सर से मैंने बोला था मुझे आपके से रेडियोलॉजिस्ट बनना है. सर ने खुद से हैंड शेक किया था, मेरे फीट पर टैप किया था कि तू कर लेगा करके. तब से मेरे लिए वो मोटिवेशन थी, और हम दोनों ने अभी दोनों का रैंक आ चुका है, हम दोनों काफ़ी खुश है उस चीज़ से.
और प्रिपरेशन भी डैम्स की ये थी कि नोट्स हमारे बहुत ही अच्छे थे, और नोट्स, अगर ये नोट्स नहीं होते ना, तो शायद मैं यहाँ बैठ के ये जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो नहीं बोला होता. तो मैं डैम्स के लिए बहुत ग्रेटफुल हूँ. उनके नोट्स जो इतने क्वालिटी नोट्स मिले ना, आई एम लिटरली वेरी थैंकफुल टू डैम्स कि मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ.
अभी इसने नोट्स की बात की तो मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ कि मैंने डैम्स के नोट्स आखिरी 30 दिन में 2 बार रिवाइज कर पाए. इतने कंसाइज नोट्स हैं.
मैंने और पलाश ने वही डिस्कस किए थे इनमें कि भाई अपन 30 दिन है अपने पास, आखिरी के 2 बार नोट्स रिवाइज करना ही है. तो आखिरी के 30 दिन में 2 बार नोट्स रिवाइज किए, और आखिरी के जो 3-4 दिन बचे थे हमारे पास, उसमें हमने पूरा DVT पढ़े.
हाँ.
और उसका रिजल्ट आप देख रहे हो, हम दोनों यहाँ बैठे हैं.
As far as the material is concerned, DAMS is the best. The notes are the gold standard. You should attend as many live classes as you can, and you should make all 19 subjects notes, and matlab they should be like, you should read them cover to cover as many times as you can. You cannot miss out on any single thing that is given in your notes. And in the end, to consolidate everything, DAMS gives you DVTs and PYQs. This year there was a session called PYQ Kabab, which was just amazing. I don't think I would have been able to cover all the PYQs in such a short time without that session. So DVT and PYQs really, in last 15 days of your preparation, they will give you a lot of confidence, because you cannot revise everything at last. So they will be your go-to source at last, and there is almost everything that you need in your DAMS notes, plus the tests, as many tests as you can give in during your preparation. The class tests, the subject wise tests, the grand tests, they are really important. The questions are really good, and the explanations given are also very good, and any doubts that you can have, the faculties are there to clear them. So overall, DAMS is the best source for preparation.
So I was a student of DAMS who has attended not only the online classes in the COVID era, as well as we have also attended the face-to-face classes. And the icing on the cake was actually the teachers, which appreciate a lot during the our actual teaching. They used to give chocolates to us and ask us the questions. So I guess that this is a very good point to raise the confidence and boost the confidence of all the students. Now, personally, throughout the COVID era, I can say that the motivational series which was put forth by all the faculties are worth remembering.
I joined DAMS because I think there was only one institute who was offering offline classes to us, and we used to come every weekend. Instead of enjoying and partying, we used to come here and attend offline lectures. These teachers were very helpful in solving our doubts at offline classes. When COVID happened and we could not study and we could not attend classes, the app was introduced, and the app was so great. I cannot thank them enough for introducing this app to us. Initial, I think a month we did not study at all. We were blanked out what we have to do during this COVID lockdown journey, and I think many of us were worried what we will do in NEET PG because there was just no classes, no hospitals. So I'm very, very thankful to Sumer sir for introducing the app.
I was always been an average student throughout my MBBS journey, and I never thought I would get this good rank. But thanks to DAMS, I am able to do this, and really thanks to Sumer sir, Dipti ma'am, and Sachin Arora sir, who really helped us offline here.
अगर मैं इतनी अच्छी रैंक ला सकता हूँ तो आप लोग को बस हार्ड वर्क करना है, डेडिकेशन रखना है, डिसिप्लिन बनाना है, तो कोई भी ऐसी रैंक ला सकता है, कोई भी अच्छी रैंक ला के नीट क्रैक कर सकता है. बस हार्ड वर्क और डेडिकेशन इज मस्ट.
और जो लोग कहेंगे कि बीच बीच में डाउन हिल आता है, तो मैं एक बात कहूँगा, सुमेर सर का पेप टॉक सुन लीजिए, बस दैट्स इट. आपको मोटिवेशन मिल जाएगा, आप पढ़ना शुरू कर दीजिए, आपकी हैबिट बन जाएगी, फिर देन देयर इज नो वे.
Basically very difficult being an intern with hectic internship in your college. So making notes early in your MBBS years will help you in internship, so that you will have notes prepared already and you will just have to revise them again and again. Rather than searching for material here and there at the time of preparation, you should stick to your single source and revise it again and again. That only makes difference. In the last 7 days, it's so difficult to like reconsolidate everything, all the 19 subjects in last 7 days, and if you don't do that, you have FOMO, like ये notes नहीं हुए, वो notes नहीं हुए, कोई subject रह जाएगा. तो DVT was the single most important source and the most complete source that could bring it all to one in the last 7 days, which also removed the FOMO की कोई सब्जेक्ट मिस हो जाएगा, एंड इट गेव ऑल राउंड आइडिया ऑफ ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स इन सच शॉर्ट टाइम, एंड मैनी क्वेश्चंस वर लाइक ये तो डीवीटी में, ये तो डीवीटी में इन एग्जाम.
I really was at a stage where I wanted to give up because my internship was very hectic and I wasn't there where I wanted to be as far as my preparation was concerned. But Sachin sir came personally to Nagpur to talk to all DAMS Nagpur students, and that was the day that changed everything for me. It was in December and the exam had already been announced in March, so I was scared that I was not at par with my preparation. But Sachin sir motivated all of us, and he told us not to give up. He told us wherever you are, you pick up your preparation from there and go to the finish line. So I think that was the line that stuck with me, and I did not look back after that day. So Sachin sir deserves a lot of credit for whatever rank I have secured and wherever I stand. And Sumer sir has always been that person who will pick you up from your lowest moments. He says the right things at the right time, and he just knows what is going on in the student's mind. So Sumer sir and Sachin sir have been really, really, really an inspiration to all of us.
If thinking about some of the techniques which I personally used was to be consistent enough, because there will be days when you will feel ki it's too difficult or I am not on the right track and all like that, but these were the days where actually you have to boost yourself that yes, you can do it. And just to build up the momentum, just to be on the right track, you have to solve certain MCQs on a daily basis. Personally, what I used to do is to solve the DQB daily 50 to 100 questions, and at the same time in the morning while having my breakfast, I used to solve the daily quiz. And I always made sure कि कभी ना कभी I should be on the leaderboard. Not necessarily that every time I used to be there, but whenever I used to, I felt like yes, I should be doing more and more better towards my career.
Then my journey through first to final year has been, of course, ups and downs as everybody goes through. Of course, we were the COVID batch, so around 1.5 years we were at home. So apparently for the first few months we had no idea कि what's going to be like. DAMS had no online classes up till then, so we didn't know कि अब सुमेर सर क्या करेंगे, what will he come up with now. So of course the genius he is, he came up with good online classes, and he helped us through those phases. I had many much emotional and mental breakdowns where I got very much help from my study partner. And one thing I'll recommend you throughout the journey is to have a study partner which will boost your confidence and pull you through the very bad days. Then the journey in the dams has been very nice. There has been everything which all of us could have ever asked for, as if we had all the DQBs, we had TNDs, we had DVT, and the best of all, best of the lot is CBT, computer based test. There were 3 computer based tests, 1 INICET and 2 NEET PG wala. So I'll recommend everybody to give all those 3 because it will be the most closest simulation to the NEET PG.
Which I would want to give to my juniors is that don't be scared about this journey. You should remove your fear out of it from your inside, and then think that it is possible and you can do it. Everybody is able to do it, so you can also do it. And I think only DAMS was able to remove my fear, and I think when I joined DAMS in second year, I could not have imagined that I would come here and as a ranker and attend counselling. It was possible only because of DAMS. I'm so grateful to DAMS.
I would really like to give message to my juniors that believe in yourself. Don't make those self-doubt.
To everyone who's preparing, wherever you are, just stick to your one source and you complete that. The tests and the questions and the notes and everything, and DAMS is the best for that. It gives you concise, crisp material that you need, and you don't feel left out. Please don't feel left out ki there are so many platforms and there are so many questions and so many notes everywhere. Everything is bulky, exhaustive. DAMS is just the best source. It gives you the material that you can revise in the last 1 month, because trust me, I've been there. It is not easy to revise everything in the last 1 month, but DAMS is the only thing that you can revise in the last 1 month. So trust DAMS and don't feel left out from anywhere. Just listen to your teachers, listen to the faculties. They will give you the right advice always. Whenever you feel confused, you can talk to your seniors, you can talk to the faculty. They will just give you the right advice, and listen to that, and you will pass out with flying colors.
Sumer Sethi sir, Deepti ma'am and Sachin Arora sir, actually, and not only these 3, all the faculties, they were so approachable that even if we ask them any of the doubt, be it on the Telegram or on the WhatsApp or on the Facebook, they are always there to help us out. Personally, I always contacted Sumer Sethi sir and Sachin Arora sir. Sachin Arora sir used to call me and used to boost me a lot. During my last 1 to 2 months of preparation, I used to talk to him ki sir, my score is not improving from 150, it's stuck to 150, 155, and he just used to give me certain tips ki aisa karna chahiye and all. Even Sumer Sethi sir used to send me few video clips or audio clips to help me out. The daily Telegram app par jo Deepti ma'am used to send the tips, they also motivated a lot. And whenever I used to open my Facebook, I used to see there are so many different types of motivational short videos or certain posts which are put forth by the faculties of DAMS, which actually were like a good push to the students that yes, they are on the right track and they should keep on moving forward and forward always.
Because first of all, the group study which you can do, I had study partner who also secured a very good rank, AIR 742. So she helped me a lot, and I'll also of course give a credit of my success to her. Then I'll give credit to the teachers of DAMS. First of all, Deepti ma'am, whose her telegram group helped a lot in those, like she put a lot of questions, a lot of 10 question series, 15 question series, 5 question series. Then of course all the teachers, offline, online. Kashish sir, his PSM group was also very nice. It was very helpful. Sumer Sethi sir, of course. Sumer Sethi sir was the last lecture which we attended offline before the lockdown was there. So it got us through the lockdown ki haan ho jayega. And Sumer Sethi sir was the first lecture which we attended as TND offline. So Sumer Sethi sir was on the both sides of our lockdown, like in the start and at the end. So it helped a lot.
DVT बहुत ही अच्छा रिसोर्स है. मतलब DVT में वो पॉइंट्स कवर्ड है जो तुमने भूलने ही नहीं चाहिए. मतलब काफ़ी सारे टॉपिक्स होते हैं, कुछ अगर तुम भूल भी गए तो चलता है, वो शायद कभी तुमको याद आ जाए. पर DVT में वो टॉपिक्स है जो तुम बेयर ही नहीं कर सकते भूलना. वो तुम्हारे टिप ऑफ द टंग पे होना, और एग्ज़ाम में वो अगर आए तो गलत नहीं होनी चाहिए. इसीलिए DVT मना है, ताकि आखिरी के 3-4 दिन में या 5 दिन, हफ्ता भर वो पॉइंट्स पढ़ लो और भूलो मत, और क्रैक हो जाएगा.
और बात रही PYQs की, तो PYQ का बाप सेशन जो हुआ था उसमें PYQs भी पढ़ाए गए थे और उससे रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स पढ़ाए गए थे। तो उससे वो टॉपिक इतना स्ट्रांग हो चुका था कि अगर उससे कोई भी क्वेश्चन आ गया होता तो क्रैक हो गया और रियल एग्जाम में आया भी। तो दैट वाज अ वेरी गुड।